make a mouth-watering Nigerian jollof rice is not so difficult. Hello guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do want to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian jollof rice. So guys, let's get started. I'll be using turmeric, oregano, bouillon cube, black pepper, onions, zucchini, chicken stock, rice, garlic and ginger paste, onion paste, hot pepper paste, tomato paste, salt, cooking oil. Lastly, the videos to garlic and ginger paste, onion paste, hot pepper paste, and chicken stock will be in the description box below. Please do well to check them out. So guys, let's get started. my goodness, what a pleasant aroma. Finally, jollof rice is ready. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.